The United Kingdom Defence Ministry claimed on Saturday that Russia will most likely be able to assemble a significant stockpile of air-launched cruise missiles to use them to strike Ukrainian infrastructure over the coming winter. In its latest intelligence update, the ministry said air-launched cruise missiles, that is ALCMs, particularly the modern AS-23A Kodiak, were at the heart of most of Russia's long-range strikes against Ukraine's national energy infrastructure between October 2022 and March 2023. The defense intelligence added that Moscow uses strategic bomber aircraft to release these munitions from deep within Russian territory. In a post shared on X, the defense ministry said, open source reports suggest that since April 2023, ALCM expenditure rates have reduced, while Russian leaders have highlighted efforts to increase the rate of cruise missile production. Russia is therefore likely able to generate a significant stockpile of ALCMs. There is a realistic possibility Russia will again focus these weapons against Ukrainian infrastructure targets over the winter, it added. The White House announced Friday that Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky will pay his second wartime visit to Washington next week in a bid to solidify the support of his country's crucial ally. The US has already shipped billions of dollars in aid to fight Russia. Zelensky will travel to the White House on Thursday for talks with President Joe Biden and also hold meetings at the US Congress, where elements of the rival Republican Party are hesitant as Biden seeks to push through a major new package for Kyiv. Biden's National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan said that the trip comes at a critical time as Ukraine waged a counteroffensive against Russia. The US President will reaffirm his commitment to continuing to lead the world in supporting Ukraine as it defends its independence, its sovereignty, and its territorial integrity, Sullivan told reporters. Kyiv has repeatedly asked the Biden administration for ATACMS to help attack and disrupt supply lines, air bases, and rail networks in Russian-occupied territory. But a source familiar with the situation said the US did not plan to announce ATACMS for Ukraine during Zelensky's visit to the White House next week.